must be going up.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
What is happening? Oh, it's the counterweight. Just the counterweight.
Too fast. This elevator too fast.
That was really fast.
Oh, here it goes. Please don't go too fast. Don't go too fast. Please stop here. That's a good one. Please. It's here.
How to make it stop.
Kinda. It's too fast.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh my god, it's beautiful. Are you coming up?
Basement. Oh, is it locked? I think it's locked. Go to 5.
Sounds like nudge mode almost.
Do we go right? Oh, are we
Wait, we're
going
going down. Hey guys, what do you think it is?
Wait.
Notice?
Is someone
Oh,
going
let's
down?
sing.
Floor going up.
Yeah.
Hi.
Which floor?
I'm gonna go to G, please.
Yeah.
We're just checking out. We
Yes.
have big elevator fans right here. Oh wow, look at the view. Beautiful.
What a fancy schmancy building, eh?
Super.
See if the elevator still goes down to the basement level. Let's see if it still goes there. Wait.
Oh, let's not do that, okay, honey? In this building, the reason is because there's a lot of people here. So we don't want to play with the elevator call button, or sorry, halt button.
I'm not.
No, Ada, please stop.
You want to ride the other?
Yeah.
Let's do
Ground
this.
floor going up.
Okay, send more, please. Just 5. Here we go. Wee. Look at this.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna sit down this time.
Sit down.
Floor going down.
Yeah, watch.
No, what do you think this is? What kind of elevator?
This could be Delta possibly.
Do you want to sit down on it, Ada?
I guess. Shall we go up one more
Yeah.
time and we'll sit down when we go up?
Floor.
Luckily the lights didn't flicker.
Okay, last one.
Okay, right? Here we go.
Here we go, guys.
Scream!
Ah, it's Ada. No flying on the glass elevator.
Hey, Calissa! Calissa! Ow!
I'm going to take us to 4-3.
Whoa, why
Yeah.
you push all buttons?
Because I don't want to go straight back down again.
Okay.
Because then the security office is right beside this elevator, and I don't want them to be like, are you guys lost? And then we can hear the chime.
3rd floor is empty.
Floor